calm it down. All right, calm it down. Hey, oh shit!
Emily was
See,
trying
you're
to get a
dying
bird
now.
out of it.
What the fuck? Why'd you go in there? You're in the box. Get out there.
This is the bird box.
Poor little guy's having a heart attack. It's in my mouth. Oh, this ripped his fucking feather off, man. It's like a fly, you know?
Emily, just leave the door open. He'll get out. What are you crushing?
It's okay.
Be careful with it.
It's okay. I got you. I got worms I can feed you.
Be careful with it, Pamela.
Bird box came to life.
Pamela.
Go ahead before you end up getting something.